Aloha, my name is Frank Patch, and I'm a licensed clinical social worker in Hawaii. I'm interested in empathic for numbers of reasons, really, but probably one of the most important reasons is that it allows me to do what I do more effectively, and I can see the outcome and the results, and I'm not being buried in miles and piles of redundant work. We like to work with people, not necessarily paper, and empathic has made that process not only easy, but effective and affordable. I had an opportunity to look at between 50 and 90 other electronic medical record systems, and what I found was that most of them were just warehousing systems for information. Empathic is a clinical tool. It not only helps me do what I do, see what I do, and target my hopes and objectives for my clients, but it allows the clients themselves to also see the results and be able to know that what they are investing in terms of change is really happening. Empathic is simple, easy to use, and it has a capacity to connect you with resources you wouldn't even believe is available. So I think as an independent practitioner, Empathic has connected me with a community of like-minded individuals who are connected and committed to a common goal of helping others, but being able to measure, do what we have to do, and get paid in a timely and effective way, and frankly at a cost that is probably significantly less than just a simple billing program. So I'd like to encourage you to take a good look at Empathic, particularly if you like to measure what you do and like to do it well. And I think you'll find that there's not much else out there right now that's really, frankly, worth looking at. So give it a try and become an empath at Empathic. Aloha.